How to legally set up an LLC in the Cayman Islands 2025 step by step. Most people get offshore LLC formation wrong by skipping legal requirements, but in 2025, setting up an LLC in the Cayman Islands can be straightforward if you follow the steps. You won't believe what happens next. Following the right process ensures full compliance and protection under local law. Step 1 is choosing a unique company name and checking availability with the Cayman Islands General Registry. Step 2 is selecting a registered agent licensed in the Cayman Islands, which is required for legal and official communications. The surprising truth is that this step is crucial, as the agent ensures all documents are properly filed and compliance deadlines are met. Step 3 is preparing and submitting the LLC formation documents, including the articles of organisation and details of members and managers. Step 4 is paying the necessary government fees, which vary depending on the company structure. Step 5 involves obtaining any required licenses for your specific business activities. Finally, maintain annual compliance by submitting required reports and fees each year. This ensures your LLC remains in good standing and continues to benefit from Cayman Islands regulations. Many people overlook ongoing compliance, but it's essential for legal protection and credibility. In conclusion, legally setting up an LLC in the Cayman Islands in 2025 involves name registration, appointing a registered agent, submitting formation documents, paying fees, and maintaining annual compliance. Following these steps ensures your business is legally compliant and fully operational, providing the benefits of an offshore LLC safely and effectively.